My name's Shiv. I'm from the UK. I've had shoulder pain for about a year now, a year and a half maybe, and it's been a struggle in the gym, being able to lift heavy and do some bodyweight exercises like dips. And found you guys over on TikTok, and I thought I see the results. I'll go have a check them out, and then get started. And then 12 weeks down the line, mobility is much better. And yeah, getting back into my normal lifts.
Fantastic, man. I'm sure you saw like a lot of videos and different people having exercises. What like
Yeah.
made you want to choose us as your virtual shoulder specialist?
Um, I think it was mostly I think it was the reviews, mostly the testimonials. Because I really, before you pay any sort of big money for anything, you check obviously their work. And obviously I went through all your videos, some YouTube videos as well. And yeah, really did sway me that way. Yeah. And especially with the assessment calls and stuff, it was really straightforward.
Yeah, man. We try to be very transparent. We state the facts, tell the truth. That's how we do things over here. And as far as like the layout, your program being like 7 days a week, like 15, 20 minutes, like how did that kind of like how did you do with like the structure of things here?
Yeah, I think it's good. There's exercises for every day. Obviously, some days you're gonna be busy all day. You can't really get it in, but at least you know so you can catch up on it another day. You can always go back to it. Questions as well. We can just drop you a question too. So yeah, it's really straightforward.
Okay. And as far as like, was this your first time doing something remote and virtual and like,
Yeah,
was it pretty easy to follow?
definitely. Definitely. At first, I was a bit skeptical. Obviously, you guys being over there, miles away, and then me being over here. But yeah, it's really been straightforward, and um, yeah, definitely.
Okay. And as far as we kind of like broke down, addressing like all five areas with the shoulder, finding the root cause, like how did this approach, differ than like the other treatments you've done for the shoulder so far?
I think it was the build up was definitely necessary, and it really helps with the shoulder, strengthening it from even day one. The exercises are different. Then as you keep going along, it change to how your shoulder's improving, etc. So yeah,
So like
definitely.
the gradual build up and like
Yeah,
progressions, you mean?
yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Mm. Okay. All right. And then I guess kind of what's been like the biggest improvements you kind of noticed since we first started, working on the shoulder
I'd
together?
say the biggest improvements is in day to day life, to be honest, and in the gym with certain exercises like bench press, incline press, and yeah, mostly day to day life. Because I would feel it even on typing on a keyboard, I'd feel it. But now yeah, it's okay.
Fantastic, man. And when we first started, were you benching it all or were you kind of on a break from doing the bench?
I was on a break from bench actually. I didn't want to go near it, to be honest.
Okay, all right. And then what kind of kilos are you comfortably pushing on? I know you're kind of easing back into it, but what are you up to so
Um, I think I done about 110 kilos comfortably. Was so good, yeah. Felt really
fantastic,
good.
man. Yeah, absolutely. You're well on your way kind of introducing it back in, right?
Yeah, literally, yeah.
Sweet, man. As you were kind of working through it, was there anything, surprise benefit? Like you didn't realize something that was hard that got easier, just from like clearing up the shoulder.
I'd definitely say mobility wise. It really did. I didn't realize how tight my shoulders were since I started doing the mobility exercises. And it's really opened up my shoulders. I can tell a big difference.
Yeah, I mean, you
For
move
sure.
like so much better. Your shoulder blades move, your shoulders rotate, like a lot of that tension from like the nerve is cleared up.
Yeah.
Is exactly what we want to see with kind of with the shoulder case over there. What would you maybe tell someone who's hesitant about doing like an online shoulder program? What would you say to them?
I would definitely tell them to first at least get an assessment call in and definitely get that first call in because that's what did it for me. It really, because at first I was skeptical, but after the first few calls, I definitely felt more confident and how smooth things went. Yeah, definitely. YouTube videos, the guidance, the exercises, it's all there for you. How many sets, reps. If you even do have any questions, reply straight away. I don't think there's anything really to improve on. I don't think I'll take anything out. I think the steps that you guys have put in are definitely necessary. And me being in the program, I can see why. But it definitely does make a big difference. Definitely say that it was very worth it. Thanks to you guys on your team. It's really been a pleasure. And yeah, I never thought I'd see my shoulder get any better, but yeah, it's definitely getting there.